Okay, so I'm going to be making a video about an electric demagnetizer I have. So here it is. First, one of my first videos using the new GoPro Hero 8 Black. So today I'm going to be magnetizing some drill bits, because let me grab something small and magnetic. Okay, that one's not magnetized. Okay, well, let me find one that is. I have one on the floor. I had one when I lost it. Oh, here's another one that's magnetized. Some idiot decided to put it on a magnet. So as you can see, it picks up this piece decently strongly. So to use this, you just put the thing on, hold down the button, and pull it away. And as you can see, it's not magnetic. Okay, maybe it's a little bit magnetic. So let me try that again with the other end. Not at all magnetic. So that's how to use an electric demagnetizer.